Hello. I want to ask you a question. Do you love animals? Do you want to know some funny and cute idioms about them? Cause that's the reason I am here today. Actually, these idioms are so useful in your daily life conversations, and if you want to use them, you're gonna sound like a native speaker. So, if you want to improve your speaking skills, this video is exactly the one for you. Now, without further ado, let's watch it, learn it. The first one, have ants in one's pants. This idiom is used when you're unable to stay calm because you are too excited or you are too nervous about something. For an example, he has ants in his pants because he has an important exam tomorrow.
Come on, dance like you have ants in your pants.
Jump around like you had ants in your pants.
I'm at G. I got ants in my pants.
Number 2. Watching like a hawk. It means to watch someone or something very carefully and in details. For an example, I saw a stranger watching me like a hawk and that scared me.
I watch reality dating shows like Hawk.
Charlotte, watch him like a hawk.
Watch that girl like a hawk.
Let's move on to our next cute idiom, catnap. It is another synonym for take a nap, and it means a short sleep during the day. Like she always has a catnap after her school classes. Number 4 is my favorite one, busy as a bee, or you can say as busy as a bee. It is used when you are extremely busy and you can't do anything else. If you have so many things to do right now, you can say, I am busy as a bee right now. Or another example, she couldn't go to his birthday party because she was as busy as a bee at office.
That I'm busy as a bee wrapping boxes with the drums.
Busy like a bee, actually.
Well, somebody's certainly been a busy bee.
Number 5, fishy. When something is fishy, it is suspicious or dishonest. And you can say that something's going wrong here. Like, I knew that something fishy was going on in his house. The next idiom is so common and you can use it in your daily conversations. It is holy cow. It is used when you want to express a surprise or excitement. It is a synonym for oh my goodness or oh my god. For an example, holy cow, my best friend just got married yesterday.
Holy cow.
Holy cow.
The next one, smell a rat. When you feel something wrong or fishy is happening, you can say I can smell a rat. For an example, the moment I saw that old house, I could smell a rat.
I smell a rat.
Smell a rat.
I smell a rat.
Now I smell a big rat.
Number 8, have butterflies in your stomach. You know, when you feel nervous or worried about something, you can feel butterflies in your stomach. For an example, she felt butterflies in her stomach before her big speech.
Butterflies in my stomach.
Yeah, I got butterflies in my stomach.
I get butterflies in my stomach.
The next idiom is for successful people because they always say early bird catches the worm. The person who does something immediately before anyone else is the one who is successful. For an example, he wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning and starts working because the early bird catches the worm. And the last but not least, monkey see, monkey do. This idiom is used in informal situations. It describes someone who copies another person's action. Like, every time my little brother imitates me, my older sister says, monkey see, monkey do. Okay guys, that was 10 cute and funny idioms about animals. Do you know other more interesting idioms? You can comment them right down below. If you have any other questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will read all of your feedbacks and answer your questions. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now and hit that bell button so you will get notified every time I post a new lesson. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Have a nice day.